So let us start with the tool call now. We will try invoking or we'll try creating a tool call first in singleton conversation. We'll see, and then we'll try to call an API to communicate or to get the output from the tool call. So let's get started. It's going to be very easy. I'm going to start with in calling the tool from the LangChain first. We also need Zod for creating proper type and all. So from or const z is equals to require Zod. And now we will try creating a function that will be get weather. So const get weather is equals to tool, and here you are going to provide the input. So let's say whatever the output, or we will just revert back with the tool call. That is the answer. So for now it is going to just provide the answer. It always sunny in whatever the city name that we get, input dot city. So first is a function that you need to pass, and the second is the argument that we have to pass. So the function name, let's say the function is get weather, and description. So get the weather for a given city. Then you need to provide the schema. So schema, we are going to use z dot object so that we form a proper schema. And here you are going to provide the city name. So since we are going to write a schema for this function, the function that is going to take the value as city, so that we get input dot city as the value. So we just provide the input dot string. It is to be string, and the description of it is to be the city to get the weather for. Once we provide that, we need to append this tool to the agent that we have created. So we are going to move this a little bit up, and we are going to add this to the tools. And this is get weather. This is the tool that we are going to call. And finally, the question that we have to ask will be little different. Let's say, what is the weather in Bangalore? Let's see what result it gives. Node conversation and singleton conversation. Let's see the output now. Hey, we got something. Let's see what do we get here. First was the human message. The human message that we passed is what is weather in Bangalore. The AI message that we got is the tool call. The tool call happened and it reverted back with a function. Okay, and the tool call that we passed was get weather. The tool call that happened was the get weather. The Bangalore, the tool call that was made. And the answer that the tool message that reverted back was it always sunny in Bangalore. The answer that the finally that we get is current weather in Bangalore. It always sunny in Bangalore. Would you like a 7-day forecast, like the temperature details and all? So it listed about three human message, then the AI message, then the tool call happened. So the tool message replied something, and then finally the AI replied with an answer. So this is small singleton conversation that we did with the tool call. Here you can pass any particular tool of your choice, any particular function of your choice, and from there it can revert back. Okay. So in the next part, we will just try to add an API so that we get a proper answer to that.